You don't fail at habits because you're inconsistent. You fail because your system is broken. You start strong, day 1, perfect, day 2, still going. Then something small happens, and everything collapses. And you tell yourself, I just need more discipline. No, you need a system that actually sticks. Listen carefully. Habits don't fail because of effort. They fail because they're built wrong. Too big, too vague, too dependent on motivation. And motivation always disappears. So here's how to build habits that actually last. First, shrink the habit. You're trying to do too much. Gym for 1 hour, study for 3, wake up at 5. That's not discipline. That's overload. Start small. So small it feels easy. 5 minutes, 1 page, 1 set. Because consistency builds identity, not intensity. Second, attach it to something you already do. Your brain loves patterns, so don't create new ones from zero. Stack the habit. After you wake up, drink water. After you eat, read. After you sit, start working. Same trigger, same action. That's how habits lock in. Third, remove friction. Right now, good habits are hard to start. Bad habits are easy. Flip that, prepare in advance. Clothes ready, workspace clean, phone away. Because the easier it is to start, the more likely you will. If this is already shifting your mindset, subscribe to Primordial Axiom. Because this isn't motivation, this is structure. Axioma. Fourth, track and see progress. Your brain needs proof, so track it. Day 1, day 2, day 3. Don't break the chain, because visible progress builds momentum. Fifth, never miss twice. You will fail once, that's normal, but twice, that's a pattern. So if you miss today, tomorrow is non-negotiable. No excuses. That's how habits survive. Now understand these 3 truths. First, habits don't stick through motivation. They stick through design. Second, small actions repeated daily create massive change. Third, your identity follows your habits, not your intentions. So here's what you do. Pick one habit, shrink it, attach it, make it easy, track it, repeat daily. Simple, but powerful. Now understand this. You don't rise to your goals, you fall to your systems. This is Primordial Axiom, and discipline is built through what you repeat. Axioma. If you want to build a routine that runs on autopilot, watch the next video, because habits are the foundation of everything. Axioma.